Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated on your Windows computer. To do this, open File Explorer on your PC. Now, go to this PC. Here, double-click the C drive to open it. Then, open the Program Files folder. After that, open the Microsoft Office folder. Now, open Office 15 or Office 16 folder, depending on your Office version. Here, right-click on this ospprearm file. Select Run as Administrator. You will see a command prompt window will appear and disappear. Run this file as administrator 2 more times. After that, restart your PC and check if the word license error is resolved. If it is still there, right-click on the Start icon on the taskbar. Then, select Run from the list. In the Run dialog box, type appwiz.corporal in the text field. Then, click OK. In the Program and Features window that appears, locate the Microsoft Office installation. For me, it's this one. Select it and click the Change option at the top. Now, select the Online Repair option in this pop-up. Make sure your Windows is connected to the internet for this to work. Then, click the Repair button. After that, click Repair again to confirm. This might take a few minutes. Just be patient. Once the repair is complete, open your Office app again, and the activation error should not appear. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.